Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing about a topic. What is the name of the topic? Science is a god or science is a boon or science is a curse. Okay. Today we will discuss on an argument on a topic. Which topic name is science is a god, science is a boon or science is a curse. Okay. On what this side, these students they belong to plus one bio and AG. Okay. And this side they belong to plus one mathematics. And they will speak onward science is curse. Okay. And on this side they will also express their argument. They will also say something about science is what science is both. Okay. Let's start. Who will come here? Speak aloud, beta. Okay, speak aloud.
Science is a science is an important part of human life. Science is the like of the computers, internet of the very science is a very easy life.
Okay, science is a very easy life. It's okay.
I am satisfied with her thought. She says that science make our life easy, but it affect our life. It pollute our environment, and many machines produce harmful gases, just like freezer produce CFC. It affect our ozone layer. So I think science have many disadvantages.
Okay, according to your opinion, science have many disadvantages. But Deepika is saying that science is very good. Science is very good. Science is very important in the present life. And your views that you says that ki I'm agree to the statement. That statement is given by Deepika. I'm agree. But according to you, your view, science is good or science is not good.
Science is good, but it is harmful for our
Okay,
life.
okay. Science is also good, but as well as it is also harmful to our environment, to our life. Okay. Yes. Come here. Yes. Because you belong from, you will speak about science is a boon or science is a god. Pradeep.
Science is a very good technology. We are little in the science of the age.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lucky. I belongs from plus one math. Sir, science.
First of all, I want to ask a question to you. Science is good or science is not good? They say that ki science is a god. They say that ki science is a boon. But how do you say about science?
No, sir. Science is not good. Because,
Science is
sir,
not good.
Because, sir, with the help of science, technology developed and many machines made. Because with this, sir, more unemployment increased
More unemployment increased due to science.
due to science.
Okay,
By
science does not provide the employment. Okay, but science provides unemployment.
Unemployment.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, sir. With the help of science, nuclear bombs
Oh.
are made, and one example of it, Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Hiroshima and Nagasaki is also the victims of the science. At present time, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, I can say that a disaster was happened in 1945, near about 1945, and at present time they are also the victim of the same kind.
Same kind of nuclear bomb.
Nuclear bomb. It's very good. Good clapping. Good
Thank you,
clapping
sir.
for. Okay, welcome.
According to me, science are very good. Looking at the science, positive things. Sorry. Looking at the positive, look at the science and positive gives impact, and a negative look at the negative impact.
Impact. Okay. Yes, beta.
My name is Tamini. I read in 11th class. 11th class. Nuclear bombs is very harmful to nature. In the freezer gas CFC is very big.
speak anything. You spot science is not good. Science is a curse for us. Okay, tell me, how can you say that science is not good? Science is a curse for us.
Science is like a knife. It can be used.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Listen very carefully. Speak aloud. Once again, aloud speak.
Science is like a knife.
According to Deepak says that ki science is like a knife. Science is like a
Knife.
how?
It can be used. It can be used cutting vegetable.
It can be used cutting vegetables. Okay.
Even for murder.
Oh, ho, even for murder. So, how science is like a knife?
Science is.
Yes, yes. Your argument is very clear. Your argument is also very, I can say, impressive. But you says that ki science is like a knife. Ki from through the knife that vegetables, fruits are cut. So like that, science also cut the men and the women. How? Can you explain? Yes, speak.
Science is good, but in my opinion, some experiments of science is effect for
In some sphere that science also effect on human beings. Okay. Where is money?
Amit Kodara, I belong to +1 bio. Science is science become our life comfortable and easy. Science discovered many gadgets. Science is help in minimize our problems.
Okay.
Science is a curious subject and we learn in about environmental
Okay.
science.
Okay. What is your opinion about science?
Science is one, but today blind can see and both can hear with help of science.
Okay.
Good morning.
जोर से बोलिएगा बेटा.
Good morning, all of you and my teachers. My name is Mon, my student of biology. The science is a good servant to die to the development in the science and technology impossible have become very possible. Like hedge easy and stable.
My name is Yograj Meena. I read in GCI +1 mathematics. Today I say about science is a curse because the people are the science is a grown technology and the people are advanced technology used in a hack a bank account and rob his money.
Say about science is a god or science is a boon.
Science is good. My name is Sunpal. My class +1 11th AG. Science is a blessing, and we live in the age of science. Science in the many wonders.
My name is Sukhdev and faculty bio. So science is a good. Science is very helpful of medical science to drugs and save life. My name is Rahul Goswami and I read in GCI +1 mathematics. Science is a terrorists are using for modern technology and due to the development of atomic energy and atom bomb and create many harmful diseases and like skin disease. It is it. Thank you.
Please stand up at his place.
Myself Mukesh Kumar. I belong +1 bio. My topic of science boon. Science is a god. Science is a god because all our life, all our daily routine because our life, because
My name is Virpal from Maila, reading in the G Sepulu. Dear friends, today I am going to speak in the science in God. there is nothing there is nothing good or bad. It is our things in that thing. We are living in the scientific that as that the Freudian immunity.
Astonishing. I belong to plus one bio. We are living in the science of again and technology in modern science in a are node.
That due to science, people are become lazy. This reason technology. Due to science, nuclear sport become people. This advantage Cochrane in Rajasthan, where today even people born with blindness and have become.
Many machines science make by use of science many machines make to make our life easy, just like calculator, but someone people misuse it, just like students use it for the cheating. So we can say that some people use it for the cheatings, for the hacking hackers hack our personal data easily. So I can say science is a curse. Thank you.
I don't believe so because medical science is developed and we can look over in any ill and ill very ill any ill.
Mohit Chiag, I belongs to plus one math. According to the mission, science is not good because some people made harmful weapons with the help of science. Thanks.
My name is Mayur from Shillong. I read in plus one mathematics. Trust are using modern technology for this to work, and science is dangerous. Science is dangerous human life.
Myself Gauri Shankar, I belong plus one bio. According to me, science is a very good technology, and science life is very easy, and science is a good.
Science literature means knowledge. Science is the greatest born to the modern world.
It is become easier comfortable through science technology.
Help of science, many drugs are made and people take it and be infectious, and many kinds of diseases are spread by the science, and many people made weapons which used to kill mankind or other things. Thanks.
My name is Anurag. I am belongs to plus one mathematics. Science is a tool to discover God and not his equal.
Science become our very life is easy or it has all use of comfortable and luxurious.
Science has given computers and robots are wonder, and the science age was main research of the moon.
We are living in the age of science. We are technology. Modern science is a good my favorite science.
My name is Vinod. I belong to plus one bio. The cinema, the radio, and the television are made of knowledge.
My dear biology friends are saying about the science is given medicines and drugs, but the science grown technology are disease peoples because they are not work to our life, and he was lazy, very lazy, and the old people are complete his work, and he was healthy and mentally fit.
My name is Rohitas, and I belongs to plus one mathematics. And according to science is very bad because science has given birth many to the evils. It has invented various war weapons atom and hydrogen bombs, rockets, missiles, and science has given wealth, but not happiness.
बोल
Science is the gives leg of the lamp and eyes of the build.
My name is Pooja. My topic science is curse. I read in GCI Pallu. Nuclear bombs also have given by science, which is very harmful of nature. So we can say that science is banned.
Hello guys, my name is Jansen and I am belong from Kalu +1 bio. My topic is God is science. The progress in the information technology is also one of the quite blessing science. It's many things our use, computer, mobile, internet. It's become our easy life. Thank you.
अब चालू कर Science is a god according to my science is a very helpful for soldiers in high system. For example, nuclear bomb in the soldiers is science very helpful. चालू
My name is Basraika. Science is the whole subject. It is word of science. Science has given many wonders. It play in important rules of daily life. Impossibles made impossibles things possible. That is our life. Thank you.